Hello Ethan! Welcome back to my channel. Excited na ang 1Z Entertainment, SB19 Team, Buong Bayan at ang Sonara para sa kanilang launching debut. Ito nga ang goal for Sonara debut at pinost nila sa Sonara PH. The countdown begins. This is our chance to make Sonara's debut unforgettable. Every stream, every post, every share matters. Let's dominate the chart and trends together. United as one, louder than ever, let's make history. Official Sonara, hashtag Sonara. Narito ang listahan, upcoming Sonara debut. Target goal for music video, 1 hour, 10,000. 5 hours, 40,000. 15 hours, 70,000. 24 hours, 100,000. 3 days, 300,000. 1 week, kalahating million views. At 15 days, 1 million views sa mundo ng YouTube. At heto pa, sa Spotify. Target goal for Spotify. 8 hours, 50,000 streams at 24 hours, 100,000 streams. Target goal for iTunes Philippines, sana maging top 1. Other goals sa YouTube Philippines, maging trending sana number 1 at Genius Chart. At least pasok sa top 10 all genre music. Yan ang Sonara goal na sana makamit at maabot this time sa kanilang official launching ng Sonara, the first girl group under contract of 1Z Entertainment at training by the help and effort of our 1Z Entertainment team. And of course, our SB19 team.